So in this video, we're going to talk about power supplies with user-selectable input voltages. Now, factory presets, this switch is always set to 230 volts AC input. And why is that, Mike?
With a factory preset of 230 volts, if you were to plug it into a 230 volt outlet, you'll actually get the power supply operational. But if you plug it into 115 volts, the power supply will not fail, because all that will happen is either the supply will work but not get loaded, or the power supply will just simply not work.
Yeah, it just won't turn on if you're at 115 volts, but it wants 230 volts. Now, if you have it set to 15 volts, and then you plug it into 230 volts, well, things might get a little bit exciting.
And that's exactly what we're going to demonstrate to you today, is what would happen if you had set this in a 115 volt setting and plugged it into a 230 volt AC source. Ready?
Let's do it.
Let's try it.
All right.
Now, it's very important to note that we're trained professionals. We actually have a fire extinguisher ready to go. We have safety goggles, and we do not recommend you do this in your lab. This is simply for demonstration to show you what would happen if you were to make this mistake and make this error. So make sure that whenever you're testing electronic equipment, you always have the appropriate safety gear in order, so that in case something like this were to happen, you would know exactly how to alleviate the situation and not cause a serious event. Okay, we got this thing all connected. So we have this set at the right spot?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I set it to 230 volts.
Here we go. 1, 2.
When I get high. Oh! The clock still ballin' like rock.
Oops.
Yeah, I'm headed to the bus, then I'm ballin' like yeah.
I might have accidentally set it at 115.
I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like